How to add music to WhatsApp status on an iPhone or Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add music to WhatsApp status. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your Instagram. In this tutorial we'll be taking the help of Instagram and just click on your story icon over here and just tap on this plus button. So what we're gonna do is just select any of the random videos from your story and put a music under that particular video. So let me just put a music to that particular video by simply selecting any of the videos or music under that particular video. So once I do that, I will just click on this three dot icon and save the video on my gallery. And once you do that, just head back to your WhatsApp application. So once you're inside your WhatsApp, just tap on this updates button over here and you can see there's a plus icon under my status option. Just tap on this and you can directly upload the video which we just created, and just like this, and click on next and just click on this send button at the bottom right corner. And once you do that, it will be successfully sent as a video option or music video to your WhatsApp status. So it works both for Android and iOS as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.